It's my new HoodSkulls. Let me show you what came in the package this time. So I ordered a set of the Princess HoodSkulls to go on my fiance's Jeep, who I will tag in this video, as well as the good people at HoodSkulls. They are fantastic and make a really awesome product for your Jeep. Inside the box, we've got some filler, and we've got some awesome decals. Normally, every order comes with one. They kicked in a couple extra for me because I've placed a couple of orders with these guys and they love me, just like I love them. And now for the goodies. So inside this fun little pouch of bubble wrap comes the super awesome HoodSkulls Princess Edition with the hearts and the heart crown. How bad